Hi, this is Hadley Pocket with my current event for January 12th, 2018. Everybody knows dogs can do some pretty amazing things. They can perform so many jobs, such as leading the blind, aiding the sick, and sniffing out fruit. That's right, fruit. In one San Francisco airport, Skipper is doing just that. Skipper is a Beagle mix. He's 8 years old. He's great at his job. Skipper sniffs out fruit and other produce people try to bring into the U.S. These fruits and vegetables could carry harmful bugs and other pests, so they need to be found. Skipper is not only great though, he's broken records. The previous held record for the most produce found and seized by a single dog was right around 14,000. Right before Thanksgiving, Skipper found his 20,000th piece of produce, a banana in someone's bag. He's crushed the previous record and will continue to allow his number to reach new heights. Skipper is amazing at his job, and he was meant for it. But he didn't start out in the airport, though. Previously, he was a stray found wandering the streets of Michigan. Soon, he was rescued, however, and now enjoys a loving home at the San Francisco International Airport. To summarize, Skipper the Beagle Mix is an 8-year-old dog that's broken the record for the most produce seized by a single dog and found in an airport. He started out as a lonely stray in Michigan and now loves his home at the airport and continues to find more fruit and vegetables. So I got my current event from GoodNewsNetwork.com again. And this is Skipper, the dog. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.